Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a major update that every medical student, IMG and future USMLE test taker needs to know about. The USMLE has officially announced that beginning in 2028 it will move away from the current on-demand testing model and adopt a new system called designated testing dates. This is one of the biggest changes to USMLE testing in years, and it could significantly impact how you plan your exam journey. Let's break it down. Currently, USMLE STEP exams are offered throughout the year. Candidates can choose from a wide range of testing dates based on availability at Prometric centers. However, starting in 2028, this flexibility will change. Under the new system, Step 1, Step 2 CK, and Step 3 exams will only be administered on specific designated dates throughout the year. In total, there will be just 45 testing days annually across all three USMLE exams. So why is the USMLE making this change? According to the USMLE program, the primary goal is to strengthen exam security and protect the integrity of test content. Over the years, concerns have grown regarding content sharing, recall documents, and exam security breaches. Limiting testing to designated dates can help reduce these risks and ensure a fairer testing environment for everyone. Now, before you panic, there is some good news. The USMLE has also announced plans to expand testing center capacity and reserve seats specifically for USMLE candidates on those designated testing days. This means that while there will be fewer testing dates available, there should be enough seats to accommodate examinees. Still, this change will have important implications, especially for international medical graduates. For IMGs, timing is everything. Many applicants carefully coordinate exam schedules with graduation timelines, ECFMG certification requirements, visa appointments, clinical rotations, and residency application deadlines. With fewer testing dates available, advanced planning will become even more important. Imagine missing your preferred testing date by just a few days. Under the new system, you may have to wait weeks before the next available exam date. That could potentially delay score reporting, residency applications, or even match participation. Students preparing for Step 1 and Step 2, CK should start developing the habit of planning their timelines well in advance. Flexibility will likely be reduced, and last-minute scheduling may become much more difficult. Another important point is that these changes are not happening immediately. The new testing model is scheduled to begin in 2028. If you're taking your exams before then, your current scheduling process will remain unchanged. However, if you're an early medical student, pre-medical student, or someone planning a longer USMLE journey, this announcement is definitely something to keep on your radar. As more details become available, including the official testing calendar and exact designated dates, we'll continue to keep you updated. For now, the key takeaway is simple. The USMLE is changing how exams are scheduled starting in 2028. The goal is improved security, better protection of exam content, and maintaining fairness for all candidates. If you're an IMG or future USMLE applicant, planning ahead will become more important than ever. What do you think about this change? Will designated testing dates improve exam security, or will they create new challenges for students? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are preparing for the USMLE. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.